जय श्री राम दोस्तों। तो जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, गाइडली का आरआरबी पीओ का मॉक चल रहा है लाइव, जो कि 28 तारीख 10 बजे से लेकर 29 तारीख रात को 8 बजे तक है। तो ये मॉक ज़रूर दे दीजिएगा। तो चलिए इसको देते हैं। लगातार ही बहुत मॉक है, बहुत सारा मॉक रखा है गाइडली, तो सब तो देना पड़ेगा। और ये परफेक्ट भी रहेगा क्योंकि नया बेस पे रहेगा और बहुत जन देगा। ये रहा 25-20 और बहुत जन मॉक देने वाला ये वाला। तो अपना ये पता चलेगा कहाँ स्टैंड करता है, और 1-2 दिन में कुछ उसमें सुधार किया जा सकता है। मेरे हिसाब से तो किया जा सकता है, अभी भी टाइम है, तो मतलब 4-5 दिन तो थोड़ा और बेटर किया जा सकता है देखे। तो चलिए देते हैं मौका और देखते कितना आता है। 10 boxes are kept one over one on a single leg but now 4 boxes are kept between L and H. H which is kept below L. L 1 2 3 4 H L 1 2 3 4 only 4 boxes are kept between L and N. H which is kept below L. At least one box is kept above D. At least one box is kept above D. D which is kept immediately above L. D which is kept immediately above L. At least one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The number of boxes kept above D is same as number of boxes kept below K. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. The number of boxes kept above D 1 2 3 is same as the number of boxes kept below K. 1 2 3 K 1 2 1 2 K. Only 2 boxes kept between K and I. एक तो I, एक तो I, एक तो I, ये तो कैंसिल हो गया। D L 1 2 3 4 H 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. K only 2 boxes are kept between K and I. Box C is kept immediate above F. Box C is kept immediate above X. F which is not kept adjacent to D. F which is not kept adjacent to D. C F C F. Box G is kept above E. Box G is kept above E. Box G is kept above E but below J. But below J. E G J. E G J. More than 2 boxes are kept between E and G. E and G. What is the position of box C? Third from the C. 1 2 3 4 fifth from the bottom. Which of the following is kept immediately below box H? Box H. How many boxes are kept between G and I? G and I 2. Which of the following statement is true with respect to box J? J is kept second from the top. L is kept immediately below J. D is kept 2 boxes below J. ये right है. If J is related to D, if J is related to D, I is related to F. In the same way, which of the box K? C. H greater than U. H greater than U. H greater than U. DH. either or के लिए C. E greater than D. EB. BG. नहीं, D से A आना पड़ेगा, नहीं होगा. E greater than L. EB. ठीक है, only two के लिए B. F greater than M. F. D. B. नहीं, D greater than R. DB. neither nor के लिए D. P greater than is equal to S. P Q R. नहीं, Q greater than T. Q R. neither nor फिर से D. Seven flourishing but not in same order, each of them like different color, dash. Only 4% is to the left of E. 7%, only 4% is to the left of E. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 E. 1 2 3 4. Only 4% is to the left of E. Only 1% is between E and the one who like yellow. YELLOW yellow. YELLOW. Only 1% is between. Only 3% is between yellow and white. WHITE white. 1 2 3. WHI white. A sits immediate left of the one who like white. A sits immediate left of the one who like white. As many persons is to the right of A as to the left of the one who like orange. 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 ORAN. Orange. F sits 4 places away from G. G who sits immediate left of the one who like blue. G sits immediate left of the one who like blue. F sits 4 places away from 1 2 3 F. Only 2 people sits between blue and B. Blue and B. The one who like pink sits second to the right of C. PINK. The one who like pink sits second to the right of C. B does not like green. B does not like GREEN green. Blue G. Blue G. G से 1 2 3. Blue G 1 2 3. F. Blue G 1 2 3. blue G 1 2 3. F. blue 1 2. blue 2 छोड़ के B 1 2 छोड़ के B. blue G 1 2 3. F. एक तो B. The one who like pink sitting second to the right of C. PIN के pink. E green. और ये जो बच गया वो कलर. और A B C D. D यहाँ आ जाएगा. हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग पर्सन लाइक ग्रीन कलर ई को पसंद है। Who among the following persons is immediate right of the person who like red color? Immediate right of the person who like red color. B orange. As many persons sits left of B as to the right of F. F white. How many persons is between the person who like pink color and orange color? Pink color and orange color. एक दो तीन. Which of the following is true with respect to only two persons is to the left of F? The one who like yellow sits second to the right of B. ठीक है, B like blue color. Only two. All sheet are paper. Only a few paper are plain. Plain. Or every plane is bundle. Every plane is bundle. All sheet are plain. All sheet are plain. No sheet is bundle. No sheet is neither no. Some dream are passion. Some dream are passion. Mostly passion are dedication. Only a few dedication are fulfilled. Only a few dedication are fulfilled. All fulfill can be dedication. All fulfill can be dedication. ठीक है, some dream are not dedication. Some dream are not dedication. Only one. Some only a few root are hub. Only a few root are hub. At least some hub are Wi-Fi. All Wi-Fi are secure. All root can never be secure. All root can never be secure. गलत हो सकता है. All root being hub is a possibility. All root being hub is a possibility. Neither no. All cubes are square. Only a few square is circle. No circle is oval. All oval are square. All oval are square नहीं. Some square is not oval. Some square is not oval. Only two. Eight person attend different seminar dated either 5 of the month. 15, 22, 15, 22, 15, 22, 15, 22. क्या था? सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, December. A attended seminar on an odd number date. A attended a seminar in the odd number date of a month having even number of days. Even number of days, September or November. A attended seminar odd number of date of a month having even number of days. तो A और A. ठीक है. Only two person attended seminar between A and G. एक तो A and G. A एक तो G. एक तो G. As many person attended seminar before C after before G after C. एक दो तीन. एक दो तीन. एक. Only three person attended seminar between H and B. एक दो तीन. H and B. B who attended seminar in the same month as C. B एक दो तीन. H C B एक दो तीन. H C B एक दो तीन. F attend seminar 2 person after B. F attend seminar 2 person after B. F attend seminar 2 person after B. more than 2% attend seminar between F and D. 1 2 3 1 2 3 F and D, A B C D E. Who among the following person attend seminar on 15th October? 15th October को D. How many person attended seminar between E and H? E and H के बीच में 1 2 3 4. 4 of them are alike in certain way given. A C B D B D B ही होगा. E. As many person attended seminar before E as after H. 2 with respect to A attend seminar in November. A attend seminar in November नहीं. Only 1 person attend seminar between H and C. H and C नहीं. Only 2 person attend seminar after B. Only 3. Mr. A walk a certain number of persons are sitting in a linear or facing toward north. Not more than 15 persons are sitting in a row. Only 2 persons is between W and D. 1 2 W and D. D 1 2. Only 2 persons is between W and D. F sits fifth to the right of D. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4. F is fifth to the right of D. Only 7 persons are sitting between F and H. F and H. H who sits left of F. Only 7 persons sitting between F and H. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 between F and H. H who sits to the left of F. J sits second to the right of H. J sits second to the right of H and third from one of the extreme end. J sits second to the right of H and sits third from one of the extreme. As many people sits between J and F? 1 2 3 4 5. As between F and K? 1 2 3 4 5 F and K. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Huh? And third from one of the. Oh ये नहीं होगा ना. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. ठीक है. Who among the following is 6 to the left of W? 1 2 3 4 5. H. How many persons are sitting in the row? Which of the following is true with respect to the. Only 5 people are sitting between K and D. 1 2 3 4 5. W is fourth. W is fourth to the right of J. K sits second from. Who among the following persons is third to the right of H? Third to the right of H. D. Eight persons are sitting around a circular table, such as 4 of them are sitting inside, such that 4 of them are facing inside while 4 of them are facing outside, but not in the same order. Q C is second to the left of R, where both of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Q sits second to the left of R. Q sits second to the left of R. Q sits second to the left of R, and both of them are facing different direction. only two persons sits between W and Q. Q and W, W who does not sit adjacent to R. एक तो W, एक तो W. W sits opposite to V. एक तो तीन, एक तो तीन. W sits opposite to V. V who sits second to the right of U. V who sits second to the W sits opposite to V. V who sits second to the right of U. U face outside the table and U face outside the table. V who sits second to the left of U. V who sits second to the left of U. V who sits second to the left of U. U face outside the table and sits immediate right of S. And sits immediate right of S. And sits immediate right of S. Two persons sit between S and T. एक तो S and T. एक तो S and T. T who face same direction as S. T who face same direction as S. T does not sit adjacent to Q. T does not sit adjacent to Q. ये गलत हो गया. P से है ना, P Q R S T P. 1 2 3 4. तो ये सब बाहर देखेगा क्योंकि 4 4 है ना. Who among the following persons sits second to the right of P? Who among the following persons sits second to the right of P? Second to the right of P. 1 2 V. Huh? Who among the following persons sits second to the right of P? One, two, three, four. 1 2 3 4. Who among the following persons is second to the right of P? Right of P R. अरे यार यही तो है. What is the position of R with respect to P? R with respect to P, second to the right. Who among the following persons is immediate right of Q? Immediate right of Q U. If Q is related to T, if U is related to T, एक दो तीन, and R is related to S, R is related to S, then who among the following is related to P? 1 2 3. Q opposite में. How many persons are seated between W and U when counted from the right of U? How many persons are seated between W and U when counted from the right of U? W and U when counted from the right of U. 1 2 3 4 5. L is son of N. L is son of N. बत्तीस अटेम्प्ट हो गया. ठीक है. L is son of N. N who is sister-in-law of K. N who is sister-in-law of K. N does not have any sibling. ठीक है. M is granddaughter of J. M is granddaughter of J. J who is mother of I. J who is mother of I. O is uncle of K. Oh. L N O is uncle of K. K who is son of H. K who is son of H. K who is son of H. J is brother-in-law of H is brother-in-law of O. H is brother-in-law of O. तो यहाँ J, यहाँ I. और यहाँ पे एक और बच्चा आएगा m, जो कि द फैमिली हैज़ 3 जनरेशन, देयर इज़ नो सिंगल पैरेंट इन द फैमिली. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Who among the following person is sibling of m? Sibling of m है l. How is l related to k? How is l related to k? Nephew. 4 of them are like certain H O I L M. M फीमेल है. ओ भाई ठीक हो गया. अरे यार मैथ आ गया. कोई बोला था काम नहीं करता, अच्छा छोटा कर दिया उसको. 1200 का 240, 1200 का 240 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1500, 150 और 75 5%, 225. इधर 15 तो 225, क्योंकि स्क्वायर रूट है ना. और यहाँ पे कितना आएगा 175 प्लस 400 575 और माइनस का x इज इक्वल टू 220 माइनस करेंगे तो 5 5 355 प्लस 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 40 8 5 और ऊपर का 6 5 और ऊपर 2 से इंटू होगा क्योंकि कोफिशिएंट है तो 2 10 12 10 बड़ा है x बड़ा है. अरे ये भी है, स्किप क्यों हो गया मेरे से. 75 प्लस 125 इज इक्वल टू 0 2 तो 200 और माइनस का 4 मतलब 14 का इंटू 5 70. 143 बाई 11 143 बाई 11 इंटू 25 तो 1 3 13 13 250 325 बाई 5x से काटेंगे तो 13 इंटू 5 65. ये कितना है ये हो जाएगा 28 प्लस 3x माइनस 13 का 169 और माइनस का 28 कर देंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 141 और ये तो माइनस का 141 माइनस 3x रहेगा और इजिकल टू ये हो जाएगा तेरा कितना का क्यूब है ये 9 का क्यूब है तो 9 तो ये 150 बाई 350 ये कितना है माइनस 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 7 4 और ऊपर कितना है 12 11 तो y बड़ा है क्योंकि माइनस में है तो y बड़ा है. 3x प्लस 6x प्लस 2y इज इक्वल टू 2 से इंटू किया ना तो 50 x प्लस 2y इज इक्वल टू 25 तो यहाँ माइनस यहाँ भी माइनस करेंगे तो ये कट जाएगा 5x इज इक्वल टू 25 x इज इक्वल टू 5. अगर x इज इक्वल टू 5 आ जाएगा तो y इज इक्वल टू 10 आएगा. तो एक्स वाई बड़ा होगा ना, वाई 10 है, एक्स 5 है। यहाँ कितना आएगा, प्लस प्लस माइनस प्लस, 36 72 8 9 8 और ऊपर 9 4 9 4, जो कि ऊपर फिर इंटू होगा 2 से, तो 18 8 एक्स ग्रेटर देन इज इक्वल टू वाई, माइनस माइनस प्लस माइनस, तो ये हो जाएगा 9 7 और ये हो जाएगा तेरा 12 7। इंटू तो नहीं करना है, नहीं, तो ये तो बड़ा ही है और ये ग्रेटर देन इज इक्वल टू वाई ग्रेटर देन इज इक्वल टू एक्स। ये हो जाएगा 32 1 33 का प्लस 49 और 1 66 का प्लस, ये हो जाएगा 83 और 16 99 का प्लस, तो क्या होना चाहिए और 132 है, 4 4 5 3 1 6 3 3 1 1 1 3 हो गया ना, नहीं ये गलत है, 1 1 3 मतलब 445 गलत है। कितना आ जाएगा, 64, ये 28 और 21, ये हो जाएगा 9 4 49। ये हो जाएगा तेरा, अगर ये 36 36 8 7 6 और ये हो जाएगा तेरा 22 और 25, ये हो जाएगा तेरा 14 नहीं होगा, 196 गलत है। ये हो जाएगा प्लस का 3, ये हो जाएगा प्लस का 2 प्लस का 5 प्लस का 7 प्लस का 11, ये प्लस का 2 21 गलत है। यहाँ क्या है, प्लस का 51 प्लस का 48 प्लस का 54 प्लस का 51 प्लस का 45 और 6 51 -3 प्लस 6 -3, तो यहाँ भी प्लस 6 होना चाहिए, तो 706 गलत है। इंटू 1 प्लस 1 इंटू 2 प्लस 2 इंटू 3 प्लस 3 इंटू 4 प्लस 4 27 54 108 प्लस 4, ठीक है, इंटू 5 560 प्लस 5, नहीं ये गलत है, 560 गलत है। Total number of student doing master degree, number of student bachelor degree. If the ratio A, B, C, D, E. Master, bachelor. If the ratio of male and female doing master degree in college C का मास्टर डिग्री हो जाएगा तेरा 210 इज 30 120 90 मेल एंड फीमेल, and the total number of male and female in college C is and the total number of male in college C, और ये हो जाएगा तेरा 490 700 है ना टोटल, and the total number of male in college C is 300 more than that of female. 300 माइनस करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा तेरा फीमेल 200 और ये 500. Then find the number of male doing bachelor degree in C. 380. Number of student doing bachelor degree in college D. Bachelor degree in college D 600 is what percent more than number of student doing बैचलर डिग्री मतलब 900, क्योंकि ये तो मास्टर डिग्री का दिया हुआ है ना. नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट डूइंग बैचलर डिग्री इन कॉलेज इज वास्ट परसेंटेज मोर देन द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट डूइंग मास्टर डिग्री इन कॉलेज बी. 450 इज वाट परसेंट मोर 100% मोर. फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट डूइंग बैचलर डिग्री इन ए. बैचलर डिग्री इन ए 600 to the number of students doing master degree in G. 600 1:1. If the total number of students in college F is 20% more than that of college E 720 and the total number of students doing master degree in E and F together is 280. 600 का 60 220 500 बैचलर डिग्री. And find the number of students doing bachelor degree 500. Find the difference between number of students doing master degree in college A. Master degree in college A 200 and the number of students doing master degree in college C 210. तो 10. A certain number of people are working in different hubs, namely IT, medical, food. Total number of people working in IT, food. IT, medical, food. Male, female, TOTL total. Total number of people working in IT and food is IT में 400, food में 800 respectively and the remaining 50% are working in medical hub. Medical hub में 1200, total 2400. The ratio of number of male and female IT hub is 2:3, 5, 80, 160, 200, 40 and the ratio of number of male and female in food is 600. The number of female working in IT hub 240 is what percent of the total number of people working in medical hub 20%. फूड हब का दिया है ना, फीमेल वर्किंग इन फूड हब 400 20%. If the number of female working medical hub is इतना more than food 560 640 male, then find the ratio of number of male working in medical hub to the number of male working in IT hub 4:1. अरे यार, find the average number of male working in IT hub and the number of male working in food hub. IT hub and 280. Number of male working in food hub 400 is how much more or less than number of female working in IT hub 160. Number of male working in food hub is 160 more than. If the number of people working in food hub increased by 10% and the number of male working in food hub is increased by 50, then find the number of female working 430. अरे यार the demand for car, the total production of car, the total demand of car in B, the total demand of car in B 1000 is what percent of the production of car in production of car 25%. Find the ratio of total demand of car in 2500 to the production of car in C 3575 57 होगा. If the total demand of car in F is double the total demand of car in D 1500 3000, then the demand in F is what percent more than the total production of car in D. Total production of car in B 150%, 50%. Find the difference between total demand of car in A 2000 and production of car in D 500. तीन एक्स 5 3x 4x प्लस 12 इजिकल टू 3 6 14 9/14. तो ये हो जाएगा 3, तो ये हो जाएगा 12x प्लस 36 इजिकल टू 14x, 2x इजिकल टू 36, x इजिकल टू 18. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x 18. The ratio of milk and water is इतना. If 20 liter of mixture then the ratio 4:1, 3:2. तो इसको 2 करेंगे तो ये 8 हो जाएगा. 5 का वैल्यू अगर 20 है तो 1 का वैल्यू 4 हो जाएगा. Then what is the initial quantity of mixture? 5 liter. A, B, C together can complete the work in 10 days. A is 10 days less than B and B 10 C, and B alone can complete in how many days? C alone can. The ratio of the ages of some A, B, C. The ratio of the ages of some A, B to C is 5:3, and the average of the ages of A, B, C is 72/8 into 9, 45, 27. Find the age of C after 3 or 30 years. A shopkeeper buy 50 kg of rice itna. He added 5 kg of stone and sell at itna. Find his overall profit. पाँच के जी 300 और 50 के जी पे 10-10 रुपया करके 10%. M1 goes to office from Howard at a speed of इतना नहीं. If the boat cover इतना किलोमीटर डाउनस्ट्रीम में इतना मिनट. 120/80 इंटू 60 3 4 30 90 kilometer, and the same boat covered 150 kilometer upstream in तीन अरे यार लिया नहीं क्या रिफ्रेश? अरे ओ रिज़ल्ट तो शायद उस दिन दिखेगा, पर हम रीजनिंग में 35 अटेम्प्ट किए और मैथ में भी लगभग 30 जैसा अटेम्प्ट किए हैं। लास्ट का स्टार्टिंग का हम सब कुछ किए और लास्ट में भी कुछ ये किए, तो लगभग 65+ अटेम्प्ट है मेरा। तो चलिए देखते हैं कितना आता है, वो तो कल पता चलेगा। आप लोग भी दीजिएगा मॉक और बताइएगा आप लोग का कितना अटेम्प्ट रहा। मार्क्स तो कल पता चलेगा। तो चलिए बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट मॉक में, तब तक के लिए बाय।